Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a very brief video. I'm just showing this new grow light that I bought to help my seedlings grow. Here I'm just setting it up. I am removing the plastic covering that it came in. Snip, 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 pull, pull. It was very well packaged as you can see. Oh, that didn't work. Got to read the instructions. Now I'm going to get it set up on the legs, disappear off the camera, move the camera around for a better angle for you guys. Now I'm going to get the top portion that has the lights on it connected to the base and get the height adjusted. It's adjust to a pretty tall height, which is great. You can see how tall it is. And now I'm going to connect the power cord and test out the remote control, go through the different light settings. And now I'm going to bring over my seedlings, get them all set up, and then get the light set up in a better position so that it can shine well on the seedlings. And I will put a link in the description if you want to purchase one of these grow lights for yourself. Thanks for